Hey guys, my name is Chris Piscatelli and I'll be taking you through some of the details on our Willys dispatcher concept. So starting from the front back, what you'll notice is the vibes, the retro vibes. We really wanted that 50s, late 40s, early 50s Americana. And honestly, it started with this winch. So it's a worn winch that's actually new, but evokes some of the spirit and really the looks of their old school winches. I love that thing, it's a beast. So as you move back, some of the early Willys flat fenders had the embossed Willys in the hood. Again, a detail that we totally loved and really wanted to play up in this vehicle. This is a 4xe, so again, really kind of playing up that retro versus future, both in the powertrain, the capability, and just the idea of the whole car, really just a mix of the two. On the interior, there's a lot of fun details. So we went with a distressed leather and a houndstooth mix to really kind of get to some of those cool old vibes. And as I have a habit of doing on all these builds, I knocked off the headrest to give some of that low back bucket seat action. Here we are at the back of the vehicle. When I think about flat fenders, honestly, they remind me of a riding lawnmower for the streets and for the rocks. And one of the things that always evokes that is the tires. So we wanted to play that up on this one, and it's riding on 36-inch super tractions. So that super tall, super skinny vibe, along with the old steely style wheels. Again, just that retro vibe that I really love. In the bottom, you'll see we replaced the bumper with a kind of flat, kind of C-channel style bumper with some great hooks. And really, just the whole vibe of it really just kind of sings about retro, but again, kind of a play with the retro and future between the powertrain and the actual looks.